Hi guys, myself Ankit. In this video, shall share a simple problem on LeetCode. Number of students doing the homework at a given time. So given two integer as a start time and end time, and a given integer query time. So the ith student started doing their homework at the time start time of I and finished at the time end time of I. So return the number of students doing their homework at the time query time. More formally, the return number of students where query time lays in the interval of start time end time inclusive. So what they have told is, let us take the same example, 1, comma 2, comma 3, and 3 to 7. So, and the query time is 4. And start time and end time. These are the arrays, start time and end time. So what they say is, if zeroth student, that is zeroth index we are referring, he starts at first second and ends at 3 seconds. Does this 4 second come in between 1 and 3? No. So that means he is not doing here homework at the query time. Then you come to first position, first student. That is, he starts at 2 seconds and ends at 2 seconds. Again, 4 doesn't come in this interval, so again, it's not doing the homework. Then go to the last one, that is second position. Start at 3 seconds and end at 7 seconds. So here in between you get 4. No? After 3 you get the 4. So he is doing the homework at the he or she is doing the homework at the query time. So hence we written 1 as the answer. We just need to return the student and count of number of students who is doing their homework at this query time. And the intervals are given. Start time contains the starting time and end time contains the ending time of their homework. How do we solve the problem? Usually if you do the brute force approach, just you take start time here, then you run the for loop I that will contain the start time. So for loop j will contain I and j lesser than or equal to start time end time of I. That means you run the for loop from 1 to 3 and you check whether the number is equal to the query number. That is one approach, but that is not the optimal approach. So what is the other approach to solve the problem? So I'll just erase this. Yeah. So the other approach will be, as you know, you can see if this is the start time, one is the start time and end time is 3. So the query time which you have that is coming in that should come in between start time and end time with inclusive of the start time and end time. You know. So in the third case, as I said, yeah, 4 is the query time that is coming in. So 4 is lying either greater than or equal to 3 or lesser than or equal to 7. This is the condition which we need to check. So if start time is less than or equal to query time and not only that condition, end time is there, end time of I, whatever you have, start time of I, end time of I, that should be greater than or equal to query time. Only then you will have the query time in between the two intervals. So that's it. So we'll code this. So run with the let's have a variable called count to keep track of the query time. Then for int I equal to 0, I lesser than start time dot length. Any array you can take because it doesn't matter, both are having the same length. And I plus plus. Now check if start time is it lesser than or equal to query time and end time of I. Sorry, very sorry. Yeah, of ith position. It's end time of I if it is greater than or equal to query time. If that is the case, then you increment the count. So yeah, then at last you return the count. It's been successfully submitted. If you have any doubts, please drop down in the comment section. We'll come up with another video in the next section. Until then, please subscribe to the channel and keep learning. Thank you.